Now today we shall discuss our next topic, that is articles. So what are articles? The adjectives a and the are called articles in English language, or we can say that a and the are the articles in English language. Articles are demonstrative adjectives that are used to point out people or things. So they are used before nouns, or we can say that articles are the demonstrative adjectives which we used to point out any people or things. So we use them before nouns or before an adjective also. As we all know that there are 26 alphabets in English language and they are divided into two groups, vowels, consonants. Vowels comprise of A, E, I, O, U, whereas consonants are rest of the letters. Type of articles. We have two different type of articles, that is definite article the and indefinite articles a and n. The is called definite article. Why? Because it points out some definite or particular person or thing. We always say that definite article is the. And why it is called the definite article? Because it always points out some definite or particular person or thing. Second, indefinite article. Indefinite article a and n, and they are called indefinite article. Why? Because they do not point out any definite or any particular person or thing. Now we shall discuss the uses of the first article a. First use, we use the article a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant. Examples, a camera, a tree, a book. In these three examples, the first letters C, T, B are consonants. Therefore, we use the article a before them. Next, second, we use the article a before the words beginning with a consonant sound U, though it may begin with a vowel letter. For example, a useful animal, a European, a university. Here, see, the letters U and E are vowels, but we use the article a before them because the vowels here has the consonant sound U. Next, third use, we use the article a before the words beginning with a va sound. Before the words beginning with a va sound, even though it may begin with a vowel letter. For example, like a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed monster. We should note one thing, that we do not use a before uncountable noun. And what are uncountable nouns? The nouns which we cannot count. So, there is a note that we do not use a before uncountable noun like ink, water, milk, wood, etc. We can say that we drink water or milk is good for health. Not like that we drink a water or a milk is good for health. That is wrong. So, we do not use the article a before uncountable nouns. Next, use of a may also depend on the context in which it is used. Use of a article may also depend on the context in which it is used. For example, The article a is used before a countable noun which represent a class or things. For example, like a cow has horns. In this example, a cow means a whole group of cows or class of cows. Next, we use the article a before the names of professions like a doctor, a teacher. For example, like we can say that he is a doctor. Next, before the names of price is speed. For example, like she sells sugar for rupees 15 a kilo. Next, we use the article a before the names of in the sense of exclamation. For example, like what a cute baby. Next, with the indefinite article a is used before nouns such as hero, genius, fool, thief or liar. For example, like he is a hero. Next, sixth use. We use the article a when we make a common noun of a proper noun. When we make a common noun of a proper noun. For example, like he is a Gandhi. In this example, it implies that he is a man like Gandhi. Okay? So students, in this video lecture, we have learned about the articles, the type of articles, definite or indefinite articles, and the use of the indefinite article a. In our next video lecture, we will learn about the article and the.